Georgia's MBBS degree is at risk. Duration of the MBBS course there is 9 years. जॉर्जिया में MBBS करने के बाद आपको जूनियर डॉक्टर का लाइसेंस मिलता है. वहाँ से MBBS करने के बाद आप इंडिया में प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर सकते. Georgia's MBBS degree is not valid, etc., etc., etc. So many videos, so much content is getting viral like this. And people also keep sharing it without checking the facts. Today, Atma Education is here to bust all the myths with proof. नेशनल मेडिकल कमीशन के 2021 के रिफॉर्म्स के बाद से भी हम स्टूडेंट्स को प्रॉपरली गाइड करते रहे और उन्हें अश्योर करते रहे कि वहाँ से MBBS करने के बाद आपकी इंडिया में प्रैक्टिस करने को लेकर कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. योर डिग्री विल बी वैलिड इन इंडिया एंड यू कैन प्रैक्टिस हियर एंड एनीवेयर इन द ग्लोब. These rumors kept spreading so fast that now Ministry of Education Georgia had to publish an official letter where it is clearly mentioned about it. This letter has been published on 5th September 2025 and I will read some of the most important lines from this letter and I'll show that letter on the screen. Accordingly, the evaluation of medical programs in Georgia is fully aligned with WFME standards and procedures as well as with the requirements of the World Health Organization, which ensures international recognition of medical doctor and diploma. Diplomas issued in Georgia are acknowledged by the Education Commission of Foreign Medical Graduates, ECFMG, and alumni have the right to take USMLE exams in the US to start preparation for post diploma. इसका मतलब है कि जॉर्जियन MBBS प्रोग्राम ग्लोबली रिकॉग्नाइज्ड है. यहाँ से MBBS करने के बाद आप किसी भी कंट्री में अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, US, UK, ऑस्ट्रेलिया एट्सेट्रा. इस लेटर में इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स को ध्यान में रखते हुए स्पेसिफिकली NMC को भी मेंशन किया गया है एंड आई विल जस्ट शो यू दैट ऑन योर स्क्रीन एंड आई विल रीड आउट सम ऑफ दोज इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स. According to the law, graduates of medical doctor education program are granted professional rights regardless of their citizenship. They are eligible to work in Georgia as junior doctors, which is fully in line with the requirements of the National Medical Commission. In addition, Georgia's medical education is fully aligned with FMGL, regulations set by India's National Medical Commission NMC in 2021. Graduates of medical doctor education program are authorized to take next FMG exams and continue their professional practice in India, which clearly means that after completing your MBBS from Georgia, you can come back to India and can practice here. अगर आपको फिर भी कुछ डाउट्स है, you can message us on 6900469004. 69004. Our team will guide you and will share all the official letters with you there.